Now, when you hit that shot that's a little bit heavy, which you haven't done yet today, that's a good thing. That means tempo's good, weight transfer's good. But there's a couple reasons that can cause that heavy shot. The first and probably the most prolific one in the golf game is weight transfer. When you go a little bit quick, you get a little bit too much weight stuck on the back leg. A lot of times your club is going to bottom out before the golf ball. All right? So that's one thing we're going to focus on today with the wedges in particular is transition. Making that transition from the top of the swing into the downswing and making sure all the weight gets to the left side.
Yeah, and it happens to me most of the time when it's not quite a full shot.
Okay. So you're not hitting a full swing. Sometimes you're at 3/4, 60%.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel like your tempo leaves you? What?
Well, yeah, what you said, that I feel like I just sort of panic and collapse.
Right. You notice the right shoulder drops.
The right shoulder drops, and I'm back here.
Okay.
And if I don't time it just right with a flip or something like that, then I hit it back.
Right. Okay. Well, let's work on that 3/4 over and over again, and we'll just go through the chips like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. 1, 2. And you can go anytime you're ready. I'm just going to keep repeating 1, 2. All right. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. Perfect. That's going to release any kind of tentativeness you've got in your chipping shot. All right, so a few of those early ones you even slowed down a little bit. All right, coming into the ball. We just want to make sure we're nice and aggressive on these chips. Again, from this spot with this much green, we're looking to make this just like a putt. Like you said, we're looking to roll it right up to the hole or even make it. So that infamous deceleration. Let's feel out this thing going 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. There it is. See how that it almost stabilizes the club face. So there's, on the other ones, we put the rods down to correct the path, and the path was great, but the club, because it slowed down, the grass grabbed it and pulled it left. So once we got that tempo back to that 1, 2, the grass isn't gonna affect it too much.